Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. I have my first birthday present, and that's right, my birthday is coming up, and it's that time of year again where my family members and friends treat me to the things that I want. And what I normally do is I give everybody a list, and you know, according to how much they are willing to spend. And I give them an option of where to go and that kind of thing. Try to make it easy for them. I even send Amazon links to items just so they don't have to look on the internet, and they get exactly what I want. And so, you've guessed it, I had Easypress on my list, the Cricut Easypress. And so I recently got a Cricut maker, and I fell in love with it, and I realized that they had a portable heat press, and I had to have it. And so today I got my Cricut Easypress, and I am doing the unboxing. And so let's see what we have here. Okay, and so as always, I'm sure that you all see that it is presented well, just like with the Cricut maker. And it has this I'm assuming that this might also be a welcome pack. Before, when I had the Cricut maker, I thought it was an instruction manual, and it was not. It was actually just a welcome booklet, and the welcome booklet actually was more or less like a catalog. And so I think that the welcome booklet, it does look like it has some instructions in it, and so that's a good thing, because with the Cricut maker I was kind of lost. I didn't know what to do, and if it wasn't for YouTubers I would have been extremely lost. Now we have some samples, we have some fabric, we have some samples, we have a little glitter teacup, which is really cute. And it seems like they do have some instructions here, so that is good. And a quick reference chart with foil, light metallic glitter, holographic material, and it tells you the degrees. You know, then we got jersey mesh, cotton, canvas, felt, faux leather. So it does come with a lot of instructions, which is really good. Okay, and so let's set this aside. It's really helpful when you buy something and you have the instructions with you. And so I know everybody is doing this online thing where they're prompting us to download stuff, but you know, overall I'm a girl. I need an old-fashioned girl that needs instructions. So, and I like it in a book. I don't want to have to read it online. Okay, so this little thing is cute, and let's see, it's wrapped in this foam bag. And my favorite color, my studio colors. So I know that they have the wisteria, that purple one, but I tell you what, I absolutely love turquoise. My studio was turquoise, and this matches my studio perfectly. I absolutely love this. Now this has some weight to it, but it's not heavy at all, especially compared to regular heat press. It's not heavy at all. And this was purchased at Michael's by one of my absolute best friends in the whole wide world. I love my best friend dearly, and I'm just happy that they thought that I was just as good as a best friend, that they would buy me such a thing. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, and so I'm just gonna pull out the base here, and so I guess it goes like that. You guys know. Well, I gotta tell you that I can't wait to heat this up and use it on my first project. And I have a home for it and all. And so I am super excited about welcoming this to my Cricut family, the second member of my Cricut family. And I will do a review on this, as well as do a review of the pros and the cons about the Cricut maker and with this as well. And that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please click that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel, as well as that bell, so you can be notified when I upload videos. Okay, and I plan to upload a lot of videos, you know, because I have a lot that are stored and I have a lot of ideas. You can also come and visit me in the group Embroidery Boss on Facebook, as well as my new Facebook group called Dollar Tree Moneymakers, right, where I will be posting ideas of things that I find at Dollar Tree and posting photos of them. Or you can come visit me at KandiaHaynesworth.com on Facebook, or Instagram at KandiaHaynesworth.com. Oh, I'm sorry, at Kandia Haynesworth. Until then, I'll see you next time.